In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a WhatsApp chat feature into your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance communication and provide instant support to your site visitors. We'll be using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to get everything set up smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, you need to visit wix.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site by selecting it from your site's dashboard. This should take you straight to your site management page, which is your control center for all things related to your website. Once you have your site open, it's time to jump into the edits. Click on the Edit Site button. This will redirect you to the Wix editor, where you can start making changes to your site's layout and features. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on this icon and a whole new window will pop up showcasing numerous apps you can add to your site for various functionalities. Now, in the search bar, type in WhatsApp Chat or Get Button. These are popular apps that many website owners use to facilitate communication. Look through the search results and choose an app that suits your needs. WhatsApp Chat by GetButton or WhatsApp Chat and Share are both highly recommended options due to their ease of use and effective performance. Once you've decided which app to use, click the Add to Site button. The app will quickly integrate with your Wix website. Now, the next step is crucial. Follow the app setup instructions. This might involve connecting your WhatsApp account or specifying which number you want customers to reach. Be sure to read each instruction carefully to ensure a smooth setup. After going through the setup, you'll be prompted to click on Agree and Add. Do that, and it solidifies the app addition to your site. The next step involves a bit of customization. You'll need to click Choose a Template to select how you want your chat feature to appear on the site. Once you have a template you like, click Select Template. This template serves as a visual representation of how the chat will operate on your site. Now, it's your chance to get creative. Customize the chat text, icon style, and placement. Personalization not only makes the chat look appealing, but also aligns it with your brand's theme. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Next to continue. Finally, your changes need to be saved. Click on Publish and Preview to save all your work and see how the changes look live. Familiarize yourself with it, and if everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully added a WhatsApp chat feature to your Wix site. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you enhance customer engagement on your website. Happy building!